Important job skills for engineers: stay at the top by reading industry news, blogs and articles in new areas of technology. Remember, recruiters need technical knowledge and skills apart from right education background. Although everyone works individually on assigned roles in projects, but the projects always start and end with human discussion. Communication is the key for engineers. Businesses want to hire people who want to work their way up and add value to the organization. Leadership is vital in the world of engineering. When problems arise and solution is not possible, an engineer should solve the task in whatever way possible. This is being creative. There will always be a demand to make things better, faster and stronger. Having the quality to innovate defines an engineer. As an engineer, if you are not enthusiastic, you have taken a wrong path. Failure to pay attention to detail can lead an engineer to an average career. An engineer in emergency conditions can be on call for 24 hours a day. It's tough, but one has to be ready always. He should be resilient. Remember, scientists study the world as it is. Engineers create the world that never has been. Are the best engineers born or made? Info brief. Please subscribe our channel.